Hey loves, what's up? It's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today and welcome to Happy Holiday. I am so excited for this series. I started this series last year here on my channel and a lot of you guys really enjoyed it, and my family here on YouTube has grown a lot since then, so I am so excited to share this with you guys as well. And yeah, for today's video I have Christmas morning hairstyles. I think that this is an awesome way to get some ideas for hairstyles for Christmas. I know a lot of you guys have kids, a lot of you guys have younger siblings or nieces and nephews who Christmas morning they yank you out of bed, and of course with Instagram culture everybody wants a photo and you don't want to be up here on Instagram with crazy bedhead or anything like that. So these are super quick hairstyles. Some of them don't even need a mirror. You can do them without 100%, but this way you look a little bit more put together and ready for the gram, ready for Facebook. I know that my parents, they're not on Facebook, but if they were, they would be A1 parents to take pictures and put them up of me that do not look good. So I'm really excited to share this video with you guys. If you guys like these types of videos, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already, subscribe to my channel down below. I upload new videos twice a week here on my channel, but for the Happy Holiday I am uploading every day until Christmas, and I am so excited to be spending some more time with you guys here on my channel. So if you guys are interested in how I got this hairstyle and 4 more, that's 8, 4 more, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so for hairstyle 1, we're just starting off with something really simple, really cute. You really don't even need the mirror for this hairstyle. These are just super quick hairstyles for Christmas morning when you're running downstairs and you're ready to go open some presents. You hear me? So here I just have a middle part. You guys could do more of like a deep side part, whatever you're feeling. So I'm just brushing that back, and then from about my temple up, I'm going to grab a little piece of hair and put that in it to a little ponytail holder. I love this hairstyle. It makes me feel like a little kid again. But it's really super easy, and as you guys can see, I'm just pulling out the rest of the hair and making sure that it's where I want it, because where you put your ponytail holder is pretty much where the ponytail is going to sit. So I'm just using a rubber band. You can get these from anywhere. I'm just using these instead of hair ties because I feel like hair ties can be a little bit bulky. So then I just squeeze it to make it a little bit more fluffy, and there is your fun ponytail. So now I'm going ahead and doing the same thing on the other side. Of course, you can layer edges with all of these hairstyles. I just didn't do so because I was doing so many hairstyles in one sitting that laying my edges for each one would have just been a little bit redundant. So here you guys can see that I am brushing out my hair as well, and then I'm going to put up this side into a ponytail to make sure that everything is even. And you want to make sure that the ponytail is even because you don't want to have a lopsided ponytail, of course. So I'm just using another rubber band to do that and pulling it tight. And you can obviously do like twists into these little ponytails as well. That would be super cute, but I wanted to keep it super easy and simple for Christmas morning. So that is the first hairstyle. Moving on to hairstyle number 2. I love this one because it is just based off of the first one that we did, and we're just going to do some cute fun buns. These are super easy. Here I'm just teasing my hair to give it a little more volume because my hair is freshly washed here, so I don't have as much volume as I would with dirty hair. So I just went ahead and used my brush just to back comb just a little bit, nothing too crazy, and I am just wrapping my hair around itself. You can do whatever you want. You can make 2 braids and then braid them up to add a little bit more texture. I have a hairstyle featuring that coming up, and I just go ahead and do that. So I just use another rubber band to pop that into place, And like I said, I just did a little bit of back combing just to add a little bit of texture to the ponytail, and I'm just wrapping the hair around itself. And this is super easy. I think this would be super cute to do with all of like the girls, kids in the family, even the boy kids if the boy kids have long hair. I think it would be super cute just to have everybody wearing these cute little space buns, or fun buns as we like to call them. So I'm just adjusting them. You can do them however you want. Like I said, a cute little twist going into these buns would be super cute instead of just having it be a ponytail, but you guys can do whatever you want. But this is the second hairstyle. Moving on to hairstyle number 3, we have something a little bit easier if you guys don't want to do like any twist or anything. This one is just a cute half up, half down style with a little bit of bangs in the front. I think this hairstyle is perfect if you do have bangs or like a little fringe in the front that you want to keep out if you have a big forehead like your girl. So as you guys can see, I'm still keeping with the middle part. You guys don't have to do that, whatever part you feel flatters your face. And I'm just clipping those out of the way, and then I'm going ahead and brushing back all of my hair that is not in that clip so that we can do a cute half up, half down. I'm also just using a little bit of leave-in spray to make everything a little bit more shiny and neat and just make everything nicer. You don't have to do this, of course. You can use water if you guys don't have time in the morning. Like I said, these are super easy to do. You don't have to have like a lot of products or anything like that. So I'm just going ahead and doing a half up, half down. I'm going from like the bottom of my eyebrow and I'm going like straight up and back to create this look. And here I am just brushing out to make sure everything is even. Like I said, this hairstyle is super easy and you can do it in literally 3 minutes. So I didn't speed up these clips or anything so that you guys can see how easy it is. And here I am just brushing everything back. I think that this would look really cute, even messy, just pulled up. Here I am obviously doing it a little bit more perfected, but if you guys just want to run out and do this really quick in the morning, I think that that would be super cute as well. I feel like all of these hairstyles would be super cute on curly hair as well. I think that that would make such a cute look with all of the texture and everything. So I just went ahead and put that into a ponytail like so, squeezed it to make it tight, and I'm just going to go ahead and brush out my little front pieces of my hair. And that is the hairstyle, guys. I think this one is so cute and it's really, really simple. It's really fun for Christmas morning. Gets the hair out of your face a little bit. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this one as well. Moving on to hairstyle number 4, we're going ahead and doing a play off of the third hairstyle. I'm going ahead and braiding up this this ponytail so that it gives it a little bit of texture. I love doing this to my buns. It just gives a little bit more interest than just a basic bun, if you will. So I just go ahead and braid this normally. You could twist it, you can braid it, whatever your level of hair technique is, you can do that. I know a lot of people don't know how to braid, so that's why I like to do twist as well, just to include everybody, if you will. So I'm just going ahead and braiding that, and then I'm tying that off with an elastic at the end, and I'm going ahead and massaging the braid a little bit just to loosen it up so it isn't so tight and, you know, so stiff. So I'm just going ahead and pulling apart I was laughing so hard at myself, but I'm just pulling apart the braids so that you get a bigger bun. This just makes everything look a little bit nicer, and just moving it between your fingers is just really nice because it makes everything something just a little bit more relaxed and not so structured, which I personally like with my hair. I'm going ahead and wrapping the braid around itself to create a little bun, and then I'm going ahead and tying that off with an elastic as well, just like I did with the other hairstyles. And this hairstyle is complete. I love this one. I think, once again, this one is so fun. Adding the bun just makes it a little bit more, you know, laid back and cute. And yeah, I hope you guys like this one as well. For hairstyle number 5, I decided to do something a little bit more intricate for my girls who want to look super cute on the gram or whatever. So I just split my hair in half all the way back, and I'm just spraying some leave-in conditioner because I was actually going to keep my hair in this style to go out. So I just am brushing everything back. It just makes everything easier when you're doing like a French braid, a Dutch twist kind of style. So it just makes everything easier when you brush the hair in the direction that you're going. And I am just parting off a little section in the front, and I'm doing a flat twist into a braid. I find that this gives the hair a little bit more interest than just doing a regular French braid or a Dutch braid. It just makes the hair look a little bit cuter. So here I'm just twisting the hair, and every time I twist, I'm grabbing a little section of hair. It just, this is how you flat twist. I know that a lot of people think flat twists are very hard, but I just add it like I would if I was French braiding. I'm leaving out a little piece over my ear just to make it a little bit more casual. And here I'm just twisting and adding some hair as I go. Twist, add some hair, twist. Twist, add some hair, and twist. And then once I get to about the nape of my neck, I'm going ahead and taking the last section of hair that I had and adding it and making it into a braid. So I'm using 3 sections instead of just the 2, and I am going ahead and braiding the bottom. I think this is so cute. You can even just do the flat twist into a bun, a little fun bun in the back. I love doing that hairstyle. I've done that a lot here on my channel as well, but this is super cute. It gets your hair out of your face for opening presents, having Christmas breakfast, and everything like that. This one is one of my fave ones, so I'm just going ahead and braiding down to the end of my hair and tying that off with an elastic as always. I like to use black elastics because I have black hair, but if you have lighter hair, I definitely suggest using like a clear elastic so you guys don't see the elastic band. Went ahead and did the other thing on the same thing on the other side. I didn't want to make you guys sit through that, but I'm just tying it off once again with an elastic, and we're going to massage these braids as well. You know how it goes. It just, like I said, makes the style so much more relaxed, and it really just looks like you put like no effort into it, you know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle as well. Alright guys, that is it for my Christmas morning hairstyles. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up so that I know. I really want to do this series like every year. I think it would be so fun. I would come out with new hairstyles obviously every single year, but I know Christmas morning can be super hectic, so hopefully this gave you some ideas. If it did, subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Love you girls. Bye.